Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and choosing Connections right away. Now scroll all the way down, tap on More Connection Settings and click on Printing. Finally, you can click on Debut Print Service right away and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different service, remember to disable this one first. Then go back, tap on Download plugin and install the best service for you. When it's ready, go back to the same printing settings. Now just click on your new one and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!